As a modernist architect, my two favorite roofs are the shed roof and the flat roof. Both of these roofs are easy to build and construct, and they work very nicely with your elevations. The flat roof, of course, encourages the horizontal components of modernism, whereas the shed roof creates an element of simplicity, and both of them are really ideal for laying solar panels. If you live in a region with more precipitation, a pitched roof is always going to be better than a flat roof because you can shed any snow load or any rain. In San Diego, both roofs are perfectly acceptable. One important consideration is if you have an angle plane restriction, which we discussed in a previous video. An angle plane restriction is going to reduce the maximum height at the side yard or front yard setback. And this may push you towards an angled roof or a flat roof, depending on how many floors and if you want to achieve a vaulted ceiling or not.